Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm doing a guest appearance for a fun episode about my new toothbrush. This is the Quip toothbrush that sends refills every 3 months, starting at $5 per refill. The set I am unboxing first is the copper metal electric Quip premium set. Check out the refill link below to get a free brush head cycle. In this box you will find a quick start guide, the regular 3-month supply of toothpaste, a travel size toothpaste that will last you about 2 weeks, and finally the beautiful new toothbrush. The tape is a bit hard to remove, but try to follow from the green tab. The plastic enclosure it sits in is both the holder and the travel case, and it goes back in it for easy storage. The toothbrush is turned on by pressing the letter Q. The way it works is that it runs in 30-second increments with a quick pause in between each increment. This happens 4 times for a total of 2 minutes total brush time, and then it automatically shuts off. Next we have the toothbrush head and the toothpaste plan refill. This would come every 3 months for $10. This comes with a battery as well, which is nice but wasteful. A rechargeable battery would have been better if it lasted several years. To change the head, you have to pull really hard and then it opens up. This is also where you change the battery. I have put the refill link below if you want to check it out and get a free brush head cycle with your order. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.